Hi, welcome back. Alex here, Hair Salon Academy, the online place, and you can find everything you need to know about hairdressers, hair salon, barbers, apprenticeships, and everything you need to know, skills, marketing, sales, anything. Anything you need to know about barbers, we're gonna talk in this place. So, um, we talk about is it hard to be a barber? This is a question that has been asked to me a lot of times, offline, online, especially offline. A lot of people that I know, and some of my clients too, they would like to be a barber. They dream to be a barber since they were a kid for some reason. A lot of them they don't. A few of them they became a barber actually, including me. I was a dream to be a hairdresser at the time, and then I became a barber in the end because I found more joy to be a barber. But is it hard to be a barber? The simple answer is no. It's not hard to be a barber. Now, cutting hair is a really complicated thing. You know, it's like this. I don't know how to explain that, but the skill of cutting hair is not just the skill of cutting hair, if it makes sense. So the fact that you can do a haircut doesn't mean that you're gonna be a really good barber, right? Like, maybe for a technical aspect, like me as a barber, I've seen your haircut and I'm saying you're a really good barber, right? So between barbers, we can just, oh, it's a really good haircut, blah, blah, it's a really good barber, blah, blah, it's super precise, blah, blah. Maybe. Between barbers, we can be really technical, really nerd about that. But in reality, when it comes to client, I know a lot of people that are really good at doing barbering, they're really good barbers, but they're not really good at selling themselves. They're not really good to provide a good customer service. They're not really good to be quick and be a barber, because this is another thing that you need to know. You need to be you have to be quick as well, because if you want to make money, you need to be quick. You can't take 3 hours to do a haircut, or you can't be even too precise to be a haircut, because every time your client will expect that you will treat him as a perfect lines haircut, and then if you don't charge enough money to do that, you're losing money, because I mean, we're talking about that, you know, the future video maybe, I don't know, but I hope you make sense what I mean. Like, you need to be the skill of barbering or cutting hair in general is not just that. So is all the thing around that make the game really complicated and hard, because you need to understand how to get client, you need to understand how to speak with client, how I can get this client loyal to me, what I can provide different to him than no other barber can provide to him, and the price point, and what I can do to get the client out from that shop, because I want the client to my place because I think I can provide a better service than him. How can you can provide a good service, you know? How can you anticipate his thought when he asks for a haircut? It is another thing that you need to consider when you want to be a barber. And then it's not just the skill of barbering. And so the simple answer is simple to cutting hair. Yes, probably in a 6-month time you're doing hair. Is it easy to be a top level barber? It's easy to be a top level hairdresser. And then by that I mean a queue of people waiting for you, like have a really high-end clientele. That's what I mean. Results? No. It's no simple, and then just few people will get to that place. A lot of people will stay where they are in a really average barber environment with an average client, with average everything, right? As is the life. So that's all. That's the video about. I hope you understand what I mean by this, and nothing, you know, it's a hard job. You know, learn how to do a haircut first, be passionate about that, understand every single aspect that you need to know, mistakes, how to fix this in case this happened, blah, 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 blah. Get experience, boom, go to the barbershop and do your best, right? Be passionate about this job, because you know, it's a hard job to get in for this kind of aspect, for what I said. If you want to be excellent barber, then you want to be the top in your barbershop. You want to be the best barber in your barbershop, when everybody is waiting for you, everybody will looking for you, everybody speak your name, and when you leave the barbershop, everybody remember your name more than any barber inside the environment, and more than the barbershop logo. Okay. Thanks for watching, and I hope you doing great. I hope your journey to become a barber or to be a better barber is fine and will be good, and then everything will be alright. Okay, so if you are a hair salon and you're struggling with sales, you're struggling with this team, you're struggling with everything, the hair salon is a mess, and then you will need help, let me know. All the info are below. And then if you're a barber that wants to be a barber, no, if you're not a barber that wants to be a barber, and then you're a barber that wants to be a better barber, and then you wanna speak with me, even for that, it is the info below. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye.